Hello everyone, welcome to Tactim. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to check all app passwords in your Android phone. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Tactim. So, let's get started. For this, you have to open your settings. Now scroll down and press on privacy. Again scroll down. Here you can see the option of autofill service from Google. Click on this. Now press on Google Password Manager. From here, you can able to check all apps password in your Android phone. And you can add your app password. That's it. So this is how to check all apps password in your Android phone. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.